Number 106. The area of the base of a cylinder is how much? 154 centimeter square. Then find the volume of a cylinder if height of the cylinder is 0.05 meters. Area of the base of the cylinder means pi r square are given. What is the pi r square value? 154. But the required volume of a cylinder. What is the volume of a cylinder formula? Pi r square into HR. Already we know the pi r square value is how much? 154. And height is given how much? 0.05. 0.05 meters are given. 154 centimeters are given. Actually, height I written 0.05. It is converted to either meters or centimeters. 0.05 is converted to which one? Centimeters. Divide by 100 or into 100? Divide by 100. Okay. Then we are get the volume. But here pi means it will be 11 multiple. Yes or no? 154 also 11 multiple. Then product value also which one multiple? 11 multiple. First option is 11 multiple. No. Second option? No. Third option? No. Fourth one? Yes sir. Fifth option? No. Then answer is fourth one. Question number 107. 60 women can complete a work in how many days? 18 days. 24 women started for the same work, and after X days, 36 women are increased in the workplace. So the remaining work is completed in how many days? 6 days. Actually, 60 women can complete the work in how many days? 18 days. Then we return total work are 60 into 18. 60 into 18. Out of the 60, how many women are working? 24 women. 24 women are working for some time or total time? Some time. But after X days, how many women are increased? 36. Already 24 plus 36. Total 60 women are. That 60 women are working for how many days? 6 days. Both are adding, it is total work. X days work and 6 days work. Both are adding, it is total work. What is the total work? 60 into 18. 60 into 18 and 60 into 6. What is the difference? 60 into 12. That is equal to 24 into X. 12 how many times? 2 times. 2 again 30 times. What is the X value? 30. Next question number 108. A and B can fill a tank in 5 minutes and 10 minutes respectively, and pipe C empty the tank in how many minutes? 30 minutes. Find out the time taken by A, B, C together to fill the same tank or different tank? Same tank. First we need to identify the LCM. What is the LCM of 5, 10, 30? 30. 5 how many times? 6 times. 10 3 times. 30 1 timer. Okay. Total work 30 liters. And what is the each one efficiency? 6 plus 3 minus 1. 6 plus 3 means 9. 9 minus 1 8. 30 by 8 means 30 by 8. How many times? 3. 3 by 4. Next 109. The ratio of the two positive numbers is how much? 3:8. And the average of the same numbers is how much? 126.5. And find out the difference between the both the numbers. Difference between both the numbers required. First of all, what is the required? Which one? Difference between the both the numbers. First number is how many parts? 3 parts. Second number 8 parts. Difference 5 parts. Yes or no? Then answer must be multiple of 5. First option 5 multiple. Second option. Third option. Fourth one. Fifth one. No. Then answer is 1, 1, 5. Second option. Next question number 110. The average age of ABC is how many years? 24 years. And after 3 years, the average age of ABD will become 26 2 by 3 years. If the sum of the present age of C and D is how many years? 43 years. Find the present age of C here. First, what is the ABC average? 24. After 3 years, average of ABD will be how much? 26 2 by 3. After 3 years, 26 2 by 3 means present average 23 2 by 3 or not? Yes or no? Okay. What is the A plus B plus C sum? 3 persons, 72. After 3 years average are 26, 2 by 3 years means present average 23, 2 by 3 or not? It is how many persons average? 3 persons average or? Then A plus B plus D, that is equal to 23, 2 by 3. 3 into 23, 69. 69 plus 2, 71 by 3 into 3 or not? Yes or no? 3, 3 get cancelled. What is the remaining value? 71. And what is the difference between first one and second one? C minus D. That C minus D equal to how much? 1 or not? And already C plus D is given how much? 43. Both are adding how many years? 44. Divide by 2. 22 or not? Means C value are how much? 22. C is how much? 22. Next question, triple one, question number. Quadratic equations required or not required? Not required. Next 116. Comparison of quantities. Quantity 1. Salaries of A and B are in the ratio of which one? 2:3. If the salary of each is increased by how much? 1000. The new ratio becomes how much? 7:10. What is the B salary initially? Initially first one is how many parts? 2 parts. Second one 3 parts. First one is increased by how much percent? 1000. Means we return 2 parts plus 1000. Yes or no? Just 1 minute. In place of 2:3, 2:3 how many parts difference? 1 part. But 7:10, 3 parts. Means first ratio is multiplied by 3 times. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. After adding each 1000, the ratio becomes how much? 7:10. Each one how many parts are increased? 1 part. What is the 1 part value? 1000. What is the question here? B salary initially. How many parts we need? 9 parts. What is the Q1? 9000. Next, what is the Q2? ABC started a business by partnership by investing in the ratio of 2:4:3. At the end of the year, they earned a profit 18,000. Means equal time or different time? Equal time or equal time means time is constant. When time is constant, profits ratio is same as which one? Investment ratio. Total investment is how many parts? 9 parts, sir. In that B invested 4 parts. 4 by 9 of which one? 18,000. 9 how many times? 2 times. 4 2s are 8,000. Then answer Q1 is greater than Q2. Next 117. Area of a rectangle is how much? 54. Ratio of the length and breadth is 3:2. Find the perimeter of a rectangle. L is how many parts? 3 parts. Breadth is how many parts? 2 parts. Length into breadth, that is equal to how much? 54. But we required perimeter means we required 2 of L plus B. 2 of L plus B means how many parts? 10 parts, sir. First 3 2s are how much? 6. 6 how many times? 9. Then every one part are 3. Part square equal to 9. Every one part are 3. What are the 10 parts? 30. That is Q1 or not? What is the second one? Area of a square is how much? 96. What is the side of a square? Sorry, 961. Then A equal to how much? 31 or not? Q1 is less than Q2 or not? Q1 is less than Q2. Means which option? Third option or not? Actually Q2 is greater than Q1 are given or not? Next 118. Find the cost price. We required which one? Cost price. But selling price is given 44. Gain are 10%. 10% gain means selling price is 110%. What is the 110% value? 44. We required how much percent? 100%. What is the answer? 40 or not? Next second one. Cost price are given. Loss percent are given. We required which one? Selling price. 25% loss means 75%. That is equal to, we required which one? Only 75% value or directly we return 3/4 of 56 rupees. Yes or no? 25% loss means selling price is how much? 75% error. 75% means 3/4. 4 how many times? 14. 3 into 14, 42. Then answer Q1 less than Q2. Next 119. The ratio of the two numbers is how much? 6:5. The difference are given 2. What is the sum of the two numbers? What is the difference in parts? One part. What is the one part value? 2. But we required sum. How many parts we need? 11 parts. What is the 11 parts value? 22. Next, quantity 2. The ratio of the three numbers is how much? 2:3:4. And the sum of their squares are given 29. What is the sum? Squares sum is how much? 29. First one 2 parts, second one 3 parts, third one 4 parts. 2 parts square means 4 parts, 4 parts square. Next, second one 3 parts square means 9 parts square. And third one 4 parts square means 16 parts square. That is equal to how much? 29. Okay, 4 plus 9, 13. 13 plus 16, 29. 29 cancel. Part square equal to how much? 1. Then every one part 1. Yes or no? What is the question here? What is the sum of those numbers? 2 plus 3 plus 4, 9. What is the 9 parts value? 9. What is the Q1? 22. Q2, 9. What is the answer? Q1 is greater than Q2. What is the first one product? Minus 36. Sum is minus 5. Then 1 will be written plus 9 minus 4. Those are in final roots or initial roots? Final roots are. Second one 16 and minus 17. Minus 16 minus 1. But final roots plus 16 plus 1 are root. First 9 compared to 16 less. But 9 compared to 1 greater. Opposite symbols are not. An answer relation cannot be established. Next question number 121. $12,500 students appeared in an exam. 50% of the boys and 70% of the girls cleared the examination. If the total percentage of the students qualifying is how much? 60%. How many girls appeared in the exam? First, only boys how much percent appeared? 50%. Only girls 70%. But overall boys and girls 60%. What is the ratio? 70 and 60 difference 10. 60 and 50 difference 10. What is the ratio? 1:1. Means equal boys and equal girls are. What is the total strength? 12,500. Means boys are 6250. Girls also 6250. What is the question here? Girls are required or boys? Girls. What is the answer? 6250. Next question number 122. The diameter of each of the wheel of a car is how much? 70. Wheel means circular shape or square shape? Circular shape. Means circular diameter is given how much? 70. The each wheel rotates 400 times per minute. Per every 1 minute, how many times are rotation? 400 times. Then find the speed of the car in kilometer per hour. Okay, and pi value is how much? 22/7. Per minute, how many rotations are there? 400 times. Means every rotation it is considered as circumference or area? Circumference. One rotation it is covered. One circumference. How many rotations are there? 400 rotations. Then it is covered 400 times of circumference of a circular. Okay. And how many rotations? 400 rotations. Every rotation how much distance are covered? 2 pi r. What is the circumference of a wheel? 2 pi r. How many rotations? 400. Then we written 400 into 2 pi r. Yes or no? 2 pi r. What is the r value? 35. It is distance or time? Distance. What is the one rotation distance? 2 pi r. How many rotations here? 400. car wheel are in which shape? Circular shape or not? One rotation of a wheel means it is one rotation of a circular road. How many rotations here? 400. What is the 400 rotations? 400 into 2 pi r road. That is the distance covered in 400 rotations or not? The same distance it is also equal to speed into time or not? What is the speed of the car? Unknown or not? Speed of the car is unknown, but time is given how many minutes? 1 minute or not? 1 minute means how many seconds? 60 seconds or not? 60 seconds. We are get the meter per second or kilometer per hour? Meter per second. But we required which one? Kilometer per hour. Again this value is multiplied by which one? 18 by 5 or not? Okay. Actually right hand side we written speed into time. Left hand side distance. Both are equal or different? Equal. This one I written left hand side divide by 60 into how much value? 18 by 5 or not? That is equal to which one? Speed of the car. Okay. 20 to 11 multiple. Yes or no? Any cancellation in denominator? 11 cancellations. Any denominator value? 60 is 11 cancellation? No. 5 is 11 cancellations? No. Then answer is 11 multiple or not? First option 11 multiple? No. Second option? No. Third option? No. Fourth one? Yes. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 and 2 difference. 11 or not? Alternate digits. Next 6, 8, 1. 11 multiple? No. What is the answer? Fourth one. 52.8. Next question number 123. Two equal glasses are respectively 1 by 4th and 3 by 5th of full of milk. They are then filled up with water and then the contents are mixed in another glass. Find the ratio of the milk and water in the another glass. Okay. First, in first glass, what is the milk value? 1 by 4. Second glass, 3 by 5. What is the LCM of 4 comma 5? 20. Means total content I treated as 20 liters. First glass 20 liters, second glass also 20 liters. 20 plus 20, 40 liters. Means mixture of both the glasses is how many liters? 40 liters. Means milk and water both are adding, it must be how many liters? 40 liters. What is the first option? 15 plus 19. How many parts? 34. But we required 40. Next, second one, 24. It is not 40. What is the third one? 40. Fourth one? No. Fifth one? No. Then answer, third one or out of 20, first one, milk is how much? 1 by 4 or not? What is the 1/4 value? 5. Remaining 15 are water or not? Second one, out of 20, what is the milk value? 3 by 5. What is the 3/5 value? 12. Milk 12 means remaining 8 are water. 5 plus 12, 17. 15 plus 8, 23. Total 40 or not? What is the ratio? 17 is to 23. Next question. Question number 124. Mixing means both are adding or subtracting? Adding. 4 years ago, the average age of the Pinky, Rinky and Tinky was how many years? 26 years. Means 4 years back, average are 26 or means present average 30. 4 years back, 26 means present average 30. That 30 is the average of how many persons? 3 persons. Sum is 90 or not? Pinky plus Rinky plus Tinky, it is equal to how many years? 90. Average age of the present age of Rinky and Tinky is how much? 28. Rinky and Tinky 28, average means sum is how much? 56. Subtracting, we are get the which one age? Pinky or not? Pinky is how many years? 34 or not? 34. What is the question here? Present age of Pinky is what percentage of the present average of all of them or not? present average of all of them. All of them means 3 persons or 2 persons? 3 persons. What the present sum of 3 persons? 90. Average 30 or not? Then we return 34 upon which one? 30 into 100 or 0 get cancelled or not? It is 340 by 10. 340 by 10 means 3 how many times? 11 times. What is the remaining? 10 or not? 10 means how many times? 3 times. 113.33 or not? It's 125. Simple interest on a sum of 50,000 at the rate of 15% per annum after 2 years will be what percentage of the compound interest on that sum at the same rate of interest for the same time or a different time? Same time. What is the 15% for 2 years? What is the simple interest value? 30%. That is what percent of compound interest on same sum or different sum? Same sum. 15% for 2 years means what is the compound interest? 32.25. Because 15 plus 15 plus 15% of 15% means 32.25. Means 30 is what percent of 32.25 into how much value? 100. Okay. Next. Numerator we return how much? 3000. Okay. By how much value? 32.25. 32.25 double 64.5. 64.5 double 129. 129 divide by 129 into 400. Okay, it is how much? Almost 12,000. 12,000 by which one? 129. Okay, it is general calculation. We are not required this one. What is the 100% value? 32.5. What is the numerator? 30. We are get the nearby 100% or not? What is the nearest value? 93 or not? Okay. Or 129 less than 100 times or not? But nearby 100 times value or not? Which one? 93 or not? Next question number 126. Caselet. 4 different companies A, B, C, D are given. What are the companies here? A, B, C, D are not. And 3 different types of books. One is Maths, another one English, another one Science. Next, the total number of books published by company A is how much? 2,700. A total books is how much? 2,700. Means A total value 2,700 means Maths, English plus Science is how much? 2,700. Next, the total number of books published by company D is 20% less than the which one? Company A. What is the company A? 2,700. 20% less means 540 lesser. What is the remaining? 2160. 2160. Next, the number of books published by company C is 44, 4 by 9% more than the total number of books published by company D. What is the company D value? 2160. Out of 2160, how much percent are more? 44, 4 by 9. 4 by 9, 44, 4 by 9 means we return 4 by 900. Out of 9 parts, how many parts are more? 4 parts more. Means we return 13 by 900. Yes or no? 4 by 9 means already 9 parts. 4 means 9 plus 4 or 9 minus 4? 9 plus 4. How much? 13 by 9. 9 how many times? 1. 1 or 2? 2 times. Again 4 or it is 240 or 13 into 240. 13 into 200. 2,600. 13 into 5. 40. 520 or 2,600 plus 520. 3120. 3120. That 3120 are which one books? C books or next. And one more, the total number of books published by all the companies is how much? 10,500. Means 10,500 is sum of all the companies are okay. 2,700 plus 3,100 120 and 2160. 27 plus 31, 58 plus 21, 60, 70. 27 plus 31, 58. 58 plus 21, 79. Out of 10,500, we are subtracting 7,900. What is the remaining? 2,000. 1500 minus 900, 600. Next, 9 minus 7, 2 or not? 2,600. That 2,600 again, 20 plus 60, 80. Out of 2,600, we are subtracting 80 or not? What is the remaining? 2520. Yes or no? Okay, next. What is the next one? Company A. We are get the company books or not? Company B, how many books are there? 2520. Out of 10,500, we are subtracting those three values. We are get the how much? 2520. Next, company A. English books. Company A, English books published are how much? 540. English books are how much? 540. Next, and the remaining books equally divided for mathematics and science are 2,700. Just listen. Out of 2,700, 540 are distributed. 540 is what percent of 2,700? 20%. 20% is distributed means remaining is how much? 80%. That 80% are equally distributed means 40 and 40%. What is the 20% value? 540. 40% value? 1080. If it is 1080, this one also 1080. Next, company B. The number of books, the number of mathematics books and science books was 55% and 10%. What is the 10% of 2520? 252 or not? Next, 55% are math books or not? What is the 50% of 2520? 55 means 50% plus 5%. What is the 50%? 1260. Again 10%. Again 5%. 126 or not? Both are adding 1386 or not? Okay. 55 plus 10. How much percent are completed? 65%. Or 1386 plus 252. Both are adding how much? 1386 plus 252. Both are adding 1638 or 1638. Out of 2520, we are subtracting 1638 or 120 minus 38. 120 minus 38. How much? 120 minus 38. 72 or 82? 82. End with 82. How much? 25 we are subtracting already 1. Remaining 24. 24 minus 16. 800. 882. Next, company C. What is the company C? The number of science books are how much? 780. 780 are which one? Science books. And the difference between the English and mathematics books is how much? 468. But English is more than the which one? Mathematics. Out of 3120, we are subtracting 780. We are get the remaining books are not? 120 minus 80. 40 or not? 3000 minus 700. 2300 means 2340 are sum of the which one? Maths plus English. And here I written English plus Maths. It is equal to how many books? 2340. And English and Maths difference is how many books? 468. These two are adding by 2. We are get the which one? English books are not? 2300 plus 400. 2700. 40 plus 68. 108. Total it is 2808. Divide by 2. We are getting which one books? English books are not? What are the English books? 1404. English books are 1404. Okay. Next, Out of 2340, we are subtracting 1404. We are get the mass books or not? 40 minus 4, 36. 23 minus 14, 900. 936. Last one, company D. Company D, mass, English and science are in which ratio? 5:8:7. Total how many parts? 20 parts. What is the 20 parts value? 2160. Divide by 20 means we are get the one part value. 2 how many times? 10,800. Every one part are 108. 5 parts is how much? 540. No? 8 parts? 864. 7 parts? 750. 600. That is the individual books in each company. What is the first question? The total number of science books published by D and published by D and English books published by B together is what percent more than the total number of mathematics books published by company C? Science in D. What is the science in D? 756. English in B, 882. Both are adding 1638. 1638 is what percent more than the mathematics of C? What is the mass in C? 936. 1638 compared to 936, how much value are more? 702 or not? That 702 is calculated on which one? 936 into 100. Okay, it is more than 70% or not? More than 70% or not? Means it is considered 75 or 60? 75. Or what is the half of the 936? 468. Half of the 468? 234. Both are adding 704 or 702. 702 means it is represents how much percent? 75%. Because 50% is how much? 468. 25%, 234. Both are adding 75%. Means it is 3 times value, and this one 4 times value. Next, 127. Find the ratio in the total number of mathematics books published by A and B together to the total number of science books published by C and D together. Okay, mass A and B, 1080 plus 1386. It is 2466. 2466. Next, science of C and D, 780 plus 756. How much? 1536. Both are in 6 multiples. 6 how many times? 4, 1, 1. 6 how many times? 2, 5, 6. Which option? First option. Next, 128. Find the average number of science books published by companies A, B, D. What is the A value? 1080. Already we know the what is the B value? 252. Again D value is how much? 756. 1000 plus 200, 1200 plus 700, 1900. 80 plus 52, 132. 132 plus 56, 188. Already 1900 plus 188. Total it is 2088. Divide by which one? 3 or not? 3 almost 6 times. What is the remaining? 28. 9 times or not? Again 6 times. It is nearby 700 times or not? Next, question number 129. The average number of science books published by DAE is how much? 900. And the total number of mathematics books published by E is how much? 468. The ratio of the Maths books and English books published by E is how much? 13:8. Find the total number of books published by year. First, DAE science average are given how much? 900. Average 900 means sum is 2700. Out of 2700, already we know that D science books is how much? 756. A science books 1080. Both are adding 1836. Out of 2700, we are subtracting 1836. What is the remaining value? 64. 26 minus 18. 1800. Means science books are how much? 864. Next, and maths books are given how much? 468. Maths are given how much? 468. Ratio of the maths to English books are given 13:8. Means it is represents how many parts? 8 parts, sir. Next, and one more, English is how many parts? 13 parts, sir. Okay. 8 how many times? 5 or 6? Sorry, maths and English. Maths is how many parts? 13 parts. Maths is how many parts? 13 parts. English is how many parts? 8 parts, sir. 13 how many times? 3 times. What are the remaining? 7. 78. Means 6 times, sir. Okay. Means it is multiplied by how many times? 36 times, sir. 13 into 36, 468. Then 8 into 36, 288. 288. All these are adding, we are get the total number of books in company year. 64 plus 68 plus 88. First we are adding the units position, sir. 4 plus 8 plus 8, 20. 2 carrier. 28 plus 2, 30. 28 plus 2, 30. 30 plus 46, 76. 76 plus 86, 162 or not? 1620. Which option? Second one. Next, 130. The total number of English books published by D is approximately what percent more or less than the total number of mathematics books published by B or not? English of D value. What is the English D value? 864. Is what percent more or less than the mass in B? What is the mass in B? 1386. Obviously less are getting or more are getting? Less. 64 and 86. What is the difference? 23. What is the difference? 864 and 1386 difference. 522. 522 is what percent of which one? 1386 into 100. Okay. What is the 10% of 1386? 138.6. 20%, 276 something or 40%, 540 something or means it must be less than 40% or more than 40%. Less than 40%, but nearby 40% or which option? 38. Next, 131. Line chart are given. The line chart shows the runs scored by Rohit Virat in IPL 2021 in 6 different matches. Okay, and here how many players are there? 2 players. One is Rohit, another one Virat. Match 1. What is the match 1 Rohit score? Match 1 Rohit score. Each line is considered 2 or not? Then match 1 Rohit value is how much? 52. Virat value 40. Next, match 2 Rohit value 40. Next, Virat value 30. Next, match 3 Rohit value 40, Virat 50. Next, match 4 Rohit 54, Virat 60. Next match 5, Rohit 54, Virat 44. Again match 6, 60, 36, 60 and 36. All the data are given. First, what is the first one? The score of Virat in dash and dash matches together was 6 runs less than the score of Rohit and Virat in match 6. What is the match 6? Both the score 96. That 96 is Virat value in both the matches was 6 runs lesser. Means 96. First one is 6 runs less than the 96 or not. Means first one is how much? 1 or 2 or not? Sorry, 6 lesser. Means it is how much? 90. That 90 is the Virat in 2 matches or only 1 match? 2 matches are. Okay. What is the first option? Match 6 and match 3. We are not take the options. Directly we are taken. 50 plus 40. How much? 90. Match 1 and match 3. Or match 2 and match 4 also 90 or not? Then option either M1 plus M3 or M2 plus M4. Which option? M1 plus M3. Which option? Third option or not? If you take the options, it will be time taken or not? The answer is M1 plus M3. 2 possibilities, but in options only one option are given or not? Next question number 132. The average score of Rohit is approximately what percent more or less than the average score of Virat? Means all the Rohit scores are adding, all the Virat scores are adding. First, Virat 50 plus 40, 90. 30 plus 60, 90. 90 plus 90, 180. 44 plus 36, 80 or 180 plus 80, 260 or. Next, Rohit 60 plus 40 plus 40, 140. Next, 54 plus 54, 108 plus 52, 160. 160 plus 140, 300. But we required average scores representation or not? Means we written 300 is what percent more or lesser? Percentage more or percentage lesser? Percentage more. How much value are more? 40. Upon which one? 260 into 100. Actually average means we written divide by 6 or not? 6 get cancelled or not? 0 cancel. 400 by 26. 2 by 13. Nothing but 200 by 13 or not? Okay. Less than 20 times or not? But more than 15 times or not? Answer 18 or not? 200 by 13 more than 15 times but less than 20 times. Next 133. In which of the following matches the score of both Rohit and Virat is second highest? Second highest. What is the highest value of Rohit? 60. Second highest 54. Okay, means either M5 or M4. But Virat, what is the Virat highest score? 60. Second highest 50. Highest value 60. Second highest 50. But your question is, in which of the following matches score both Rohit and Virat is the second highest? Not individual scores. Then we are take the combination or not? 52 plus 40. How much? 92. 40 plus 30. 50 plus 40. 90. 114. Next one 98. Next one 96 or not? Which one is the highest value? 114. Second highest 98. M5 or not? Next 134. What is the difference between the score of Rohit and Virat in match 4? Match 4 difference is how much? 6. Next 135. What is the percentage increase in Rohit in score in match 4 compared to the Virat score in match 3? What is the Rohit in match 4? 54. Virat in match 3? 50. How much value are increased? 4. 4 upon 50. 4 by 50 into 100. 8%. 136. The table shows the number of male students who left, the number of female students who joined in CC Institute in different years, and the ratio of the male to females who left in the institute, and the ratio of the male to female who joined in the institute. First column is left students. Third one is left students male and female average, male and female ratio. Second one, female students are joined. Those joined ratio are given which one? 8:11. It is represents 3:2. 2400 is represent 8:11. What is the first question? If the total number of students at the beginning of 2018 is how much? 30,000. Then find the total number of students at the beginning of 2016. Reverse are taken. What is the 2018 beginning value? 30,000. But we required beginning of which one? 2016. Suppose in beginning of 2016 we are consider X members. Out of X members, how many members are joined? 1800. Yes or no? Again, how many members are joined? 2400. Okay, it is which year ending value? 16 ending value. The same 16 ending value is also equal to which year starting value? 17 starting value. Yes or no? X minus how much? 600. It is which year ending value? 16 ending value. What is the starting value of 17? X minus 600. And again, how much value are subtracting? 1600. Adding value 2500. 1600, 600. 2200. 2500 and 2200. Difference is 300. Then we return X plus 300. That is which year ending value? 17 ending value. It is also equal to 18 starting value. What is the starting value of in 2018? X plus 300. And here the number of students in the beginning of 2018 is how much? 30,000. That is equal to how much value? 30,000. Yes sir. Then X equal to how much? 29,700. X means which year beginning value? 16 beginning value. What is the question here? Find the total number of students at the beginning of 2016. $30,000 minus 300, 29,700, 22, 23. $600, X minus 600. Reverse are taken. What is the 2018 value? 30,000. Out of total number of students at the beginning of 2018 is how much? 30,000. That 30,000 is represents after adding 2,500 and after subtracting 1,600. Okay, 30,000 minus 2,500 plus how much value? 1,600. Reverse are taken. Okay, left means actually how many persons are left? 1,600. Again, how many persons are adding? 2,500. Minus 1,600 plus 2,500. That is equal to how much value? 30,000. But reverse we are taken. First 30,000 minus 2,500 plus 1,600. What is the difference here? Minus 900. Minus 900, 30,000. What is the difference? 20 minus 900, 30,000 minus 900, 29,100. In this one we are subtracting 2400, adding 1800. 29,100 minus 2,400 plus 1,800. What is the difference here? Minus 600. Minus 600. Minus 600 and 29,100. Difference is 28,500. 28,500. 2,400 and 1,800 difference is 600. 29,000 joined value, left value. It is considered 3 years, not 2 years value. Just 1 minute. Out of 30,000, first we are subtracting how much value? 2,300 plus how much value you are adding? 1,900. What is the difference? Minus 400 or plus 400? Minus 400. It is 29,600. Again, minus 2,500 plus 1,600 minus 900. Minus 900, subtracting or adding? Subtracting means it is 28,700. Okay, again minus 2,400 plus how much value? 1,800. Okay, 28,000 minus 2,400 plus 1,800 minus 600. What is the remaining? 28,100. Take the next question, just 1 minute. What is the ratio of the average of the female students who left the given 5 years together and the average of male students joined in the given 5 years together? Left female students who left in 5 years together, nothing but individual females value left or not? First, out of only male students left, out of 8, number of male students who left is how much? 1,800. Ratio of the males to female who left are given how much? 3:2. Here it changes. 3 parts is how much? 1,800. What are the 2 parts are? 1,200. Total how many members are left? 3,000 are left. That is important. Minus 3,000 are subtracting or plus 3,000? Minus 3,000. Next, how many females are joined? 2,400. What are the joined females? 8 parts. 8 parts 2,400 means what is the 1 part value? 300. 11 parts 3,300. Yes or no? Then I written individually male, female, left, male joined, female joined. Yes or no? If you are get the directly answer, initial value x minus something plus x, we are get the 2016 ending value. Again 2016 ending value, it represents which one? 2017 starting value. Again 2017 ending value, it is equal to which one? 2018 starting value. Already we know that 2018 starting value. First x minus something plus x minus something plus joined value, it is equal to 16 ending value. The same 16 ending value, it is equal to which one? 2017 starting value. In this one, some persons are left, again some persons are added. Some persons are left means those are in male and female. Next, some persons are joined means those are in male plus female joined. Okay, first we need to identify the individual male left, individual female left. After that, individual males are joined and individual females are joined. In 2016, what is the male left value? 1,800. That is represents how many parts? 3 parts. Then 2 parts are how much? 1,200. Male joined value, female joined value 2,400. That is represents 8 parts. 8 parts are 2,400. 11 parts are 3,300. First write down the table. After that questions are easier. Rewrite the table again. 17, 1600, 2000, 500. 1600 is represents 4 parts, then 5 parts are 2000. Next, male joined value 5 parts 2500, then 6 parts are 3000. Chestara table. Can I stop? Thank you.